Hi friends, welcome back to Taste Express. Today we are making Pindi Chane for you, a Punjabi taste in just 5 seconds. Alright friends, are you all ready for the Punjabi taste? There we begin. For this, we only need the chickpeas, and when you boil the chickpeas you get that water, so we need to use that water in what you soak chickpeas overnight. That's the chana masala, and to garnish the onions and the coriander, green chili, that's the tomato puree and the green chutney. So let's begin. Heat the oil in the pan. Meanwhile, we can mix the chickpea water with the chana masala. Once your oil is hot, you can add the tomato puree in it. Let the tomato puree cook till then. I love this sizzling sound. You can make matra in this form, you can make chana in this form. Now you'll ask me, what is matra? The white chana what you get, not this one, what we use for the ragda. You can use that as well, make that as well, and have it with caboose, have it with bread. It tastes really yum. I'll definitely show you all in the next video. Once your tomato puree is cooked, now you can add your chana masala. Let this also cook a little. This is really a real quick recipe, and trust me, it will really taste like a dhaba style chana. Friends, if you like my videos or you like my mix and everything, please do subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you can make use of it and start cooking with different ideas. Now you can add the chana. It's smelling delicious. Let them cook a little. Now, how much of gravy you want, that is up to you. You want them to be dry, you want them to be a little saucy like this. It's up to you. So dry them according to your liking. I would want it a little more to be cooked now. Let it get cooked. You can garnish it with the onion, tomatoes, coriander, green chili, imli ki chutney, hari chutney, whatever you like. I personally like hari chutney and onion and coriander and green chili. But you can add imli ki chutney as well. Wow, my chana looks good. I want it perfectly like this. So let's serve them hot. They are nicely glazed. Punjabi chana in just back of your hand. No longer you need to be Punjabi to cook Punjabi food. What's say? Nicely glazed and it looks beautiful. Let's garnish them. We'll first garnish it with the green chutney. With the onion. You can even add tomatoes, as I said. It will add color to your dish. Coriander. And I love spice, so green chili. And let's top it up with a little of butter. It looks good. Wow, this looks good. Your chana is already ready. Enjoy your meal. Bye.